What's up? What's up? We are going to work out together today. How excited are you? I don't know why I'm getting musical about it, but this is so exciting. I'm finally going to train with T, which is Tridev Pandey, and I hope all of you are ready in your gym wear or a t-shirt or whatever it is that you want to work out in. Make sure you have your shoes, your trainers on. I don't know if you can see. And we're going to work out only for 15 minutes and it's going to be fantastic. So if you're ready, keep your phones in front of you and let's start. So say hi to Pinky. She is going to be our camera person today, but let me join. I don't know if you sent a request yet. Tridev, have you sent? Yes, he's here. Pandey, if you guys don't know, he's like one of the best trainers that we have today in Mumbai, and a lot of the celebrities are getting trained by him. Hello!
Hello.
Are you ready?
How are you?
मैं आपको introduction दे रही थी.
I'm ready. I'm very excited. This is my first live workout session. Like I done workout earlier also live, but not a workout.
ये पूरे लॉकडाउन में पहली बार मैं आपके साथ ट्रेनिंग करने वाली हूँ.
Exactly. So उसके regarding before workout start, I'm going to ask you some question also.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. My sister's also here, by the way. Kospa, do you want to work out with us? Get in front of the phone. Okay. Go ahead. Tell me.
Okay, so before like starting the workout, I want to say those who want to do a workout, the first only 15 minutes, be ready. You have a 3 to 4 minute time, and let's start the workout. So during 3 to 4 minutes, I just want you a quick question.
Your voice is not very clear. जो जिस चीज पे रखा हुआ है फोन, उसको थोड़ा ऊपर करो.
Now?
हाँ, better.
Okay, so I want to just ask you a 3 to 4 questions, and during this question time, those who want to prepare themselves for doing workout, please get ready. Get some water bottle, napkin, and let's start for a 15-minute workout.
Yeah.
Okay, so सब लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि वीडियो कॉल पे, फोन पे, जब भी कोई किसी को फोन करता है, कैसा आपका क्वारंटाइन चल रहा है? आप बताइए आपका कैसा क्वारंटाइन चल रहा है?
अरे यार चल रहा है. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट ओवर नाउ. एक और महीना रह गया. आई होपफुली महाराष्ट्र में 30th के बाद ये लॉकडाउन बंद हो जाएगा. बट इट इज गोइंग फाइन. वी आर ऑल डूइंग आवर नॉर्मल थिंग्स. खाना मिल रहा है घर पे. आई मीन छत है सर पे एंड यू कांट रियली कंप्लेन. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कंप्लेन.
Exactly, भाई. तो मेन पॉइंट है लाइक नाउ वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या जरूरतें हैं अपनी. लाइक ये क्वारंटाइन बताया कि हम लोग जितना सोचते हैं उतनी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. 2 टाइम का खाना, 3 टाइम का खाना और छत रहने को छत, दैट्स इट. और थोड़े बैंक में बैलेंस, थोड़े से बैंक में बैलेंस, लिटिल बिट.
बेसिक नीड्स, या खाना पीना एंड रोटी कपड़ा मकान. बेसिकली दैट्स ऑल वी नीड.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, so one more question. Okay, I know you trained last full year, entire year, only morning. So you are a morning person. Like you wake up at like 5:30. So we train like 6 o'clock or 6:30. You do namaz and you do all your stuff, and then you come out directly on gym. So अभी ये क्वारंटाइन में कैसे अपने आप को शेड्यूल कर रहे हो आप? कैसे रूटीन अपना सेट कर रहे हो आप?
Well, रमजान से पहले obviously मेरी सुबह थोड़ी लेट होती थी. अभी रमजान के बाद I'm back on track. I've been waking up early in the mornings, but I do go back to sleep after my namaz. So then I wake up around 10 o'clock, and then because there's nothing else to do, otherwise इंसान पागल हो जाएगा. But after, I mean, ever since the lockdown, I've been working out in the evenings, sometimes even at night, because सुबह के वक्त नहीं होता है मुझसे. So when I start training with you again, then I'll start working out in the mornings. But अभी तो फिलहाल
होगा.
Yeah.
Hope jaldi over in the night. Okay, now last question before starting the workout. Okay, as a coach, I always heard people are saying ki like people have motivation ki I have to go to the beach, I have to go to the like for a party, for a wedding, or etc. So that's why they do workout. That's why they always touching fitness. What like motivation is yours for doing workout regularly, even during this Ramadan time also, and now also, because
I think it's health. No, I think किसी के लिए भी workout का मतलब should be health. For me, it's health. Yes, of course, the industry that I am in, I have to keep myself fit. I have to look my best. So that is also one major reason. But other than that, I think I need to feel good about myself. I don't care अगर मुझे beach body चाहिए या मुझे किसी और चीज के लिए workout करना है. I don't care about that. I just want to look good for
Nice.
myself, feel good, and feel healthy.
Nice, nice, perfect. Okay, so let's move to the warm up.
Let's start. Okay.
Let's start the warm
Guys,
up.
we will take your questions on another live, but today we're only going to be working out. So if you're
Working out,
interested in
yes.
starting out with us, we can do that right now. Aja beta.
Sure.
One second, I'm just going to call her to hold my phone. Mummy lenge.
Okay, people, if you are doing workout with us, please take a picture, and if you can, do tag us. Then we can do a more few session with her.
हाँ मम्मी मैंने दे दी उसको पैसे दे दो गंगा के पास है गंगा
Get ready?
Are you ready?
Sure.
Let's go. कुछ नहीं होगा.
Let's do a 3-minute quick warm up. Okay. Let's do a 3-minute quick warm up.
Okay, ready.
Okay, let's start with the neck rotation. 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change up and down. 10, 9, 8, 7. Exactly. 4, 3, 2, 1. Side to side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change and rotation.
And guys, you can do this at your pace. You don't have to match our pace at all.
Exactly. Thank you, ma'am. This is the main point. So people, you can do a main workout on according to your intensity. There is no hurry. Okay, and I'll explain you a workout later. Change side to side scissors.
Side to side.
Scissors. No, scissors. Okay, I'll follow you.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, change. Change body twist all the way up, side to side.
Which one?
Side to side body twist all the way up.
Okay. This is great.
Okay, change.
Entire body stretch.
Forward. Okay, change. Forward band and hip squeeze forward. Forward band and push the hip forward. Nice. 4.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, change. Now kick your leg forward and touch your toe.
This?
Come on. Yes, exactly.
And this is just the warm-up, guys.
This is just a warm-up. Yes. Okay. Change huddles. Lift your knees all the way up and move it outside.
Which?
Yeah, lift your knees all the way up and move it outside.
Okay, fine.
Last one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Okay, so let's move to our main workout.
Okay.
Okay. So workout is people 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, 3 rounds of 4 different exercises. Okay. So 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. So we have to work for 40 seconds continue of each exercise. So I'll show you what four different exercises. So first one is squat down. Okay, I'll show you one rep. Everyone just watch. So first one is just squat down. When you come up, opposite elbow and opposite knee. Okay, squat down. Opposite elbow, opposite knee. Squat down. Opposite elbow, opposite knee. Okay. Second one is plank jack. Okay. So go into plank position. 2 plank jack and 2 punch. Again plank jack and 2 punch. Third one is crab toe touch. So go into crab position. Touch your toe. Nice and easy. And fourth one is mountain climber. So nice and easy. Pull your knees inside. Cross your knee. Your best line. Okay. So 40-second work, 20-second rest. Get ready? So just follow me. I'm also doing same thing. So let's start with the squat.
Ready?
Okay. 3, 2,
Very important.
1.
Very important. Squats में आप अपना hip पीछे push करिए. Don't get your knees ahead. Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1, and go. Start. Come on. Nice, nice. Keep going. 30 seconds. Very good. 20 seconds. Perfect. Last 10 seconds.
You can go slower than this also, guys.
5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and stop. 20-second rest. Now plank jack and plank punch. 2 plank jack and 2 plank punch. Get ready. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. Start. Come on. Nice. You can do either on palm or an elbow. Try to doing during this without twisting your hip. So control your hip, keep your core tight, and nice and easy move. Come on, come on, come on. Almost done, God. 5 seconds.
Quiet.
3, 2, 1, and stop. Very good. Nice. Next one, crab toe touch. Get ready. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. Very good. Very good. Keep going. Good God. Continue. Shabash, shabash. Lovely. 20 more seconds.
Try.
One rep at a time.
So you
One rep at a time. Nice. Perfect. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Mountain climber.
Yeah. ये नहीं होगा मुझसे.
10 seconds. You can do this. You can do this. 5 seconds. Come on, people. 3, 2, 1, and go. Start. Come on. Nice and easy. Pull your knees inside. Very good. Shabash. Good form. Good form, Gohar. Continue. Come on, come on, come on. Very good. I know this is nothing for you. Come on, continue. Come on, come on, come on. Very good. Shabash. Shabash. Come on. 10 more seconds. Very good. 5 seconds. Come on, people. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Very good. Second round. Get ready. 10 seconds. Stand by. 3,
Second round.
2,
Repeat
1,
the
and go.
same.
Second round. Come on. Second round, people. Nice and easy.
That's what his gym is
Very
called, by
good.
the way. Nice and easy.
Yes, exactly. Keep your upper body up. Don't lean forward so much.
I'm tired.
Chal, go on. Come on. Second round there. Very good. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Come on, last rep, last rep. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Very good. Plank jack and plank punch.
20 seconds rest.
Yes.
You only give me 5 seconds.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1, and go. Start. Come on. Nice, nice, nice. Very good, people. Shabash. If you are working out with us, keep pushing yourself and continue. Just try to finish 40 seconds. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Come on. Last 10 seconds over. Come on. Very good. 5 seconds, almost done. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Very good. Grab toe touch. Very good. 10 seconds. Stand by. If you want water, have some water.
But I'm dying.
3, 2, 1, and go. Start. Grab toe touch.
You can do it
Shabash.
slow, guys. You don't have to do it fast.
Good form, Gohar.
Thank you.
Nice, man. Lovely. Every time knee lock. Shabash. Shabash. Very good. Last 10 seconds. Very good.
Make
3,
sure you
2, 1, and stop. Next one, mountain climber.
in this last exercise that we just did, make sure you don't do it too fast and don't lose your balance. Keep your core, otherwise you can injure yourself.
Exactly. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, and go. Mountain climber. Keep your lower back straight. Core tight. Make sure when you do mountain climber, don't do half. Your knees should be every time cross the waistline. Perfect. Perfect. Come on, girl. Last 20 seconds. Shabash. 15 seconds. Nice, nice, nice. 10 seconds. Very good. 5 seconds. Keep going. 3, come on. 2, and 1. Okay, stop. Very good. Last round. You already survived 2 rounds. Come on. Don't
I'm
stop,
already
people. Last
sweating.
round. 5 seconds. Get ready. 3,
You are sweating at
2,
home. It's a
1,
good sign.
and go. Start, go. Start. Come on. Nice. Nice. Lovely. Very good. Very good. Keep going. Keep going. Shabash. Shabash. Keep your upper body up. Don't lean forward. Last 10 seconds. This is the last one. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Nice. Move to the next one. Plank jack and plank punch.
This is difficult.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1, and go. Start. Come on. Nice, nice. I hope you are guys doing with us. Come on. Slow and continue. This is last round.
Don't forget to tag us.
Come on, come on. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Come on, go ahead. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Very good. Start crab to touch.
Huh?
Crab. Last 2 minutes. Shabash. 3, 2, 1, and go. Start. Come on. Nice and easy. Move. Because you can. Flow. And control. Good work. Come on. Keep your core tight. While moving, make sure hands squeeze behind. When you shift your body one side to other side. Perfect. Almost done. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Last 20 seconds. Good work. Good work. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, and go. Start. Mountain climber. Last one, mountain climber.
Okay.
Last one, last 40 seconds. Perfect. Perfect. Very good. 20 seconds.
I can't breathe.
Come on, go on. Last 15 seconds. हो गया. हो गया. 10 seconds. Shabash. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Lovely.
Oh God.
Good one. Still, you have the same stamina.
If you're not sweating as much as I'm
जहाँ पे
sweating, oh God.
जहाँ पे छोड़ा था वहीं पे हो.
But don't you think I'm in like great shape right now? I've been working out every day.
Exactly.
Actually, this lockdown has done me real good when it comes to my fitness level.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh God. And just to
So
tell
take a 1
everybody,
minute.
Dave has just finished a class from 5 to 6, by the way, and he's gone straight into this session. So a round of applause for him. And hey, Minna is here. We are live. Minna saying too good. Yeah,
Minna and Sid also just finished the workout 5 to 6 with me.
Oh,
They also.
She is amazing. She's just like, her and Sid both are just fabulous.
No. So, जब से क्वारंटाइन हुआ है तब से आज तक दोनों ने एक दिन भी बंद नहीं किया है. कंटिन्यू फॉर ऑनलाइन क्लास मैं कराऊं या ना कराऊं ये दोनों लोग करते हैं. तो गुड सिड भाई.
They are too
Minna.
good. They're too good. As soon as I said Minna, Sid is saying so am I, by the way. Okay. Okay,
so have some water, guys. If you had workout with us. Now, next move to last 3 round only. 10 reps of sit-ups and 10 reps of leg raises. Because without core, we never finish our workout.
Okay,
so
10 reps of
let's
sit-ups.
3 rounds, 10 sit-ups and 10 leg raises. If you don't know the movements, okay, Gauhar will show you the movement. What is sit-ups?
I'll show you a tougher version of the sit-up. Okay, fine. Let's do that.
I know. You're always ready to get the challenge. I remember like 6-7 months before मैंने एक challenge दिया था आपको रबर TheraBand के साथ one hand plank pull and another hand plank pull, and I said कि अगर आप ये कर लोगे तो I feel कि यार मेरे सारे climb में you are like one of the best and you finished that. So
Yes, I had.
let's do this.
Okay,
let's do this.
Come on, 10 sit-ups. Let me just turn the camera. Okay. Pinky. Okay. So 10 sit-ups. We'll do this version where you go in a butterfly position and sleep.
Perfect.
And we'll do 10 from here all the way. Are you counting, please?
Yes. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and go. Start. 1, 2. Make sure whenever you come up, touch your toe. 3. Get up. Come on. 4. Nice.
And when you come out, you have to breathe out.
Yes. 5. Lovely. Keep going. 5 more. 6. 4 more. Good. Come on. 7. 3 more. 8. Last 2. 9. Last one. And 10. Perfect. Leg raises. Immediately. Switch into a leg raises. Come on. Nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last two, go. 9. Last one. And 10. Perfect. Very good.
Okay.
2 more rounds.
What? 2 more rounds?
Yes, there is 3 rounds. I am doing second round.
You said only 10 reps.
Last round. Come on, last one round. Let's do it together. Come on, last round. Come on, strong girl. Let's finish this. Last round. 3, 2, 1, and go. Start. Come on. 1. Shabash. Breathe out after every rep. Once you come up, make sure lower back straight. When you come up, don't come up like this. Very good. 4. Good girl. 6 more. 5.
हो गया.
6. Last 4. 7. Last 3. 8. Last 2. 9. Last 1. And 10. Perfect. Last one. Leg raises. Finish it. Come on. Finish it. Last 10 reps. Done for the day. Come on. Last 10. 1, 2, 3. Knee lock. Try to keep your knee lock. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Oh God.
Very good, man. Very good. Shabash.
Okay.
Good work.
Oh. Oh my God.
पीछे तो भर लिया।
Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God.
Very good. Okay, so let's sit down into Vajrasan. Sit down. Just do a 2-minute cool down, and at this time cool down also we can talk.
I'm showing you how I'm going to cool down. Wait.
Don't follow God. For a cool down. That is for a cool down.
Okay, cool down, guys. Everybody just cool down.
Can you show how to do a cool down?
No.
I know. आप अभी snow को देख के आप cool down कर लोगे. So I am doing. You do a 2 minute later. So those who working out with us, just sit down into Vajrasan. Okay. So sit down into Vajrasan. Keep your lower back straight. Okay. Look straight. Make sure neck not forward. Tuck your chin inside, sit into proper in a good posture. Make sure shoulder, scapula behind. Don't sit like this. So stand properly. Don't lift your chest up straight. Sit down for a 30 seconds. And you can, if you have a question, you can ask with Gohar.
Yeah, guys, we'll take a few questions now while you're cooling down. Okay, let's see if we have any questions. Everyone's like, yay. How cute, Gohar. Thank you.
Okay, please.
And do you guys have any fitness questions? Super, Gohar.
Okay.
Today they are only complimenting me. They don't have any questions.
In the live, yes, this is the biggest problem.
Oh my
We're
God.
happy to give you answer, guys, if you ask.
Such a good session. This was such a good session. Okay, they have a question. How does a plank work? What do you mean? What does a plank work for?
Okay, so basically plank work for whole body if you're doing in a correct form. Okay, so if you're doing in correct form, I'll show you one movement. Okay, so whenever you do plank, make sure your elbow should be under the shoulder. So don't lean forward so much. Don't do like this, and don't lift your hip up. So when you go into plank, make sure you squeeze your hip inside, tummy tuck inside, and hold. Engage your core. And while doing this, you can feel in your shoulder, in your abdominal, and your quads, and your like whole leg. So if you're doing a plank proper, plank is work for a whole body, not especially only for the core. Any other question?
वो लोग बोल रहे हैं हिंदी में बात करो त्रिदेव.
Okay, sorry.
वेट बढ़. अच्छा, अगर किसी का पीसीओडी की वजह से वेट बढ़ गया हो तो वो कम कैसे करें?
PCOD के बढ़ा सकते. I am not a right person to give a correct answer, but I can suggest a little bit. Okay, so what you do, like what I heard so many times, like with my clients, I have so many clients, like 2 to 3 clients, they have, जिनके पास जो है like PCOD से जो लोग सफर कर रहे हैं. So what they do, like every single doctor, सब लोग suggest करते हैं कि first thing is do medication और दूसरा workout. So workout is very necessary to like come down to your normal position. So for a PCOD, I suggest do proper medication, eat a good food, healthy food, and workout. So all three things like
वर्कआउट करने के अलावा आपके पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. भले ही आपने किसी भी रीजन के वजह से वेट पुट ऑन किया हो, यू हैव टू वर्क आउट, यू हैव टू स्वेट, यू हैव टू बर्न द कैलोरीज. किसी ने पूछा है व्हाट डू यू मीन व्हेन यू एंगेज योर कोर? एंगेज योर कोर का मतलब ये होता है कि आप जो भी एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो, आपको अपने एब्स का जो पोर्शन है, आपका जो इनर स्ट्रेंथ है, जो आपके सेंटर ऑफ द बॉडी से आता है, वो आपको इस्तेमाल करना है. नो मैटर अगर आप आपका बैक इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो या आपका ग्लूट्स कर रहे हो, बट यू हैव टू यूज योर इनर स्ट्रेंथ, योर सेंटर मोस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी.
Okay, so one more thing, engage when you like when we coaches said engage. Okay, the idea is like focus more on your core and engage. Tight your glutes, अपने glutes को tight करिए, lower back को straight रखिए, because if your lower back in this position अगर ऐसे है तो आपका core कभी भी engage नहीं होगा. तो idea is so see, you can see अभी आप मेरा hip देख सकते हो, this is in relaxed position. So mostly people think कि ये अभी right posture है, but the moment you tuck inside, फिर आपका core engage होता है, and then you feel exactly on your core while
Very
doing
nice
any
question.
exercise.
One more very nice question. क्या आप वर्कआउट के दौरान पानी पी सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, and you have to drink. आपको पानी पीना चाहिए for hydrating yourself, and at least ये टाइम पे, करंट टाइम पे, yes, you can see. So जरूरी नहीं है या तो पानी आप पी सकते हो या फिर विटामिन सी आप ले सकते हो, या फिर लाइक आज मैं इतना प्रमोट नहीं करता हूँ, बट यू कैन टेक अ BCAA और लाइक नॉर्मल ग्लूकोज. यू कैन हैव ऑल दीज ड्रिंक्स ड्यूरिंग
एक बात बोलना चाहूंगी, जब से I went on to train with त्रिदेव, जब से मैंने त्रिदेव के साथ शुरू किया वर्कआउट, मैंने आर्टिफिशियल प्रोटीन, BCAA ये सब छोड़ दिया, बिकॉज मैं कभी नहीं लेती ये चीजें, बिकॉज आई फेल लाइक आर्टिफिशियल प्रोटीन मुझे ज्यादा बल्क अप कर रहा था, ज्यादा ब्लोट अप कर रहा था, एंड आई डिडंट नीड दैट. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू लाइक be lean and not have, and also diet में आपका प्रोटीन वैसे ही आता ही है. अगर आप अंडा खाते हैं, अगर आप पनीर खाते हैं, अगर आप दाल्स में भी प्रोटीन होता है, हर चीज में प्रोटीन होता है. So make sure that you don't go into too many artificial things and just include protein in your diet. Okay.
Exactly.
Someone saying, can we have this session daily? Ha ha ha. Yeah, right.
I'm just kidding. You have to pay. You have to pay, guys, for every session. If you want to see every single day, go ahead.
Tridev does this for a living, so I'm sure आप लोगों को उनको pay करना पड़ेगा. So his ID is Tridev Pandey. Of course, he's tagged on this, and his gym is nice and easy. It's in Juhu in Mumbai. So if you're in Mumbai and if you are looking for some training as soon as this lockdown gets over, you can contact him. Or he's also doing online classes, so you can contact
online
him.
classes. Yes.
Yeah.
So if you are looking for online class, people, मैं 3 classes दिन में करता हूँ. Morning 8 a.m., evening 7 p.m. and evening 8 p.m. So there are 3 classes in a day. So online training आप वहाँ पे कर सकते हो. जहाँ पे मैं खुद personally train करता हूँ group class में. And there is 1-on-1 also. So अभी 1-on-1 का slot कोई भी नहीं है. So you can choose group class. Either 8 a.m. 7 p.m.
कोई पूछा मैं क्या पी थी? I was drinking vitamin C.
Yes.
So today के online classes की सारी information is also on his Instagram page, so you can always contact him there, DM him, talk to him, and let him train you. Okay, so then we're done. Lots of love.
Thank you, people, those who joined with us. I'm very glad. Gohar, आपने मेरे को मौका दिया ट्रेन करने का. ये सब बोलना इम्पोर्टेंट है. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing workout with.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
And thank you for giving me this workout today.
Yeah. So see, quick question. मेरा question है as a मैं क्या बोलूँ, as a public, normal public, कि what is the difference between अगर मैं आपको सेम वर्कआउट अगर मैं आपको दे देता कि गोहर आपको ये वर्कआउट करना है और एक कोच के साथ वर्कआउट करने में, ये क्या डिफरेंस है?
बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. You need somebody to push you. You need कि आप more than pushing you, you don't want to let down. जो आपके साथ आप में विश्वास रख रहा है, जो आपको पुश कर रहा है, आप उनको नहीं let down करना चाहते, इसलिए आप ज्यादा अपने आप को पुश कर पाते हैं when you have a coach. Also form कोई कोच ही आपका करेक्ट कर सकता है, क्योंकि इंजरीज especially with weight training and free hand training, जब आप अपना body भी इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, one wrong bend and you can hurt yourself. So that's how a coach can correct your form, push you to get your ultimate, जो भी आपकी capacity है, and also keep a check on you कि आपका कोई weight loss हो रहा है, आपका form बेहतर हो रहा है, आपकी body में कोई betterment आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है. So I think it helps a lot.
Thank you so much for a good answer.
Yeah, and Sudev is a fabulous coach, so I can vouch for that. Yeah.
Okay. So those who said hello, if I can't, अगर मैं नहीं बोल पाया hello तो hello at the end, and let's end the session. Bye.
And if
I hope you guys enjoyed. Please.
On my page and on Sudev's page, so you can go ahead and watch this live again.
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Yes.
See you guys.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was today. We had a fun session, and I will see you soon. Mwah. Bye. Pimple. चला गया है. वो भी सिर्फ उसका दाग है. वो चला जाएगा. Bye.